Hello, and welcome to this video presentation of your first Pluto project. This will introduce you to how to work with the ABB Safety PLC Pluto unit. The following video will introduce how the tool Pluto Manager works when downloading and monitoring a project. This is part 7 in a series of videos. Under the Communication tab, the port used to program the Pluto units must be selected. The USB cable driver, that should be installed during the installation of Pluto Manager, is assigned to a COM port by the Windows OS. This COM port has the letters VCP inside brackets. It stands for Virtual COM Port. Please point to it. Please note that the cable must be connected to the computer for it to appear. Use the download button to load the empty units. A window is shown in which a password must be entered. This is to protect the application from unauthorized modification. The project will first be downloaded to the connected unit, which in turn will transfer the project over the bus to the other units. When finished, the window will tell the user if all units received the project or not. It will also prompt if the user wishes to start the program execution in the units. This is to prevent uncontrolled starts of the machine after a download operation. The manager will now be in online mode, as can be seen by the press down online button. There is also an error 26, wrong baud rate. This is because the units default to baud rate 100 kilobit when booting. This project is however created with the baud rate set to 400 kilobit. Simply use the Reset All Pluto Units function under the Tools menu. It will always prompt the user if this really should be done. This is to get controlled stops of the application. The units will now reboot with the correct baud rate. The programming cable is connected to the Pluto D45 unit, as can be seen by using the bus status button. Inputs, outputs, and bits will be read when high or logical 1. Those that are low, or logical 0, will be shown with dashed lines. Let's look at the Tools menu. Bus status will show the units on the bus. It is the same as if clicking the quick button Bus Status. Online info is used to get useful information about the units, such as what OS version is loaded, or what project that is loaded, and its CRC. Terminal window. Pluto Manager is a graphical interface that handles the communication with the Pluto units. It uses text commands to communicate. These text commands can be used directly in terminal window. This can sometimes be useful when performing a deeper fault search, such as finding out which of the two processors has an error code. Update System Software is used to update the connected unit's OS. Use this to add new functionality to the units. The status of the variables can be monitored over the bus in other units. Click on Variables in the tree to the left. As can be seen, it's easy to monitor variables here as well. In all units available on the bus. In the upper part of the manager, any error that the unit may have is shown. Use this to track down any problem the application may suffer from. This error code is also stored in a system register. All this information could also be transferred to another system by using, for example, to gateway blocks. In this part of the series it was shown how to download a project, and how to perform online monitoring of the system. Keep in mind that the update intervals sometimes play part in how the information is presented. Use the error codes and feedback text in the upper left part of the manager to track down the cause.